If there are flashes in this auditorium, I will ask you to leave. I've seen it 3 times now. If I see it once more, I'll clear the auditorium. Period.
You know what? We had trouble hearing you, didn't we, Felicia? Couldn't hear a thing. Couldn't hear a thing. And I heard you so well before. Do you think if we tried it again, you could make it better? I'm sure you can. Now, before you do anything, just wait. I'm going to fix the line up a little bit. Go backwards. Do you see all these little lines here with the tapes? We want to be closer to those. Not quite on them, because a big curtain will be right on it. But we'll stay up as close as we can. That's the idea. Where are you going? Where are you going? Rena. Okay. How can she pay attention to me if you're distracting her? All right. I'd like you to sit down in your spots. You're going to sit up tall. Okay, if we could quit distracting, I would appreciate it. Now. Hi.
Okay, guess what? We're on stage, Rena. We're on stage. And you're going to worry about dancing now. Look at me. We're going to dance now, and we're going to sing. Curtain lifts up.